Yes, good afternoon to all. Today's topic is human learning. Yes, the human learning means gaining of information from the observations. Is i- in any cases to observing that information to learn that in some information that information gaining from the observations only. That is the human learning. There are three types of human learnings are there. There are learning by itself and learning by past experience and learning by expert guidance. First one is the type of human learning is learning by itself. In infant stage and kid stage and also now present student stage. First type of learning is the learning by itself. It is a best example for the infant stage. In infant stage, each and every month, learn by infant kid is learn by itself. Yes, that is the one of the type of the learning by itself. Is another human learning is the learning by past experience. Is it is best example is a kid is in kid stage in kid stage in first standard and second standard some teachers are tell that this is the black color, this is the red color, based on that past experience to follow now onwards to follow that past experience to learn that colors. Yes, that is also best example for past experience knowledge is the human learning. Yes, another learning is the learning by expert guidance. Yes, learning by expert guidance is nothing but learn from the expert guide based related specified subject. That is a learning by expert guidance. Is same like that human how to follow the human learning, same like that machine can learn itself, and different types of machine learnings are there. Is machine learn based on the uh, three categories. That is, one is the data input, abstraction and generalization. Is gathering of and generally human is the observation based to gaining the information. In machine is the collecting the data input based on to apply the abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but to apply any algorithms of the machine learning. Then follow that some frameworks, different types of the machine learning algorithm. There are types of machine learnings are three different types of machine learnings are there. Yes, one is the supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Yes, supervised learning is nothing but it is a predictive learning. Yes, the predictive is learning is nothing but future analysis to predict that based on these algorithms. Yes, this supervised predictive learning can be divided into two types. That is a classification algorithms and also regression algorithm. Classification algorithm is nothing but yes or no, no results to predict that future analysis. And regression learning is nothing but it is a continuous variation in the future learnings. Next learning is the machine learning unsupervised learning. This is the descriptive learning. This descriptive learning is nothing but it is a grouping learning. Consider that descriptive learning. This unsupervised learning in generally to apply the real time examples in the medical science side. Yes, there are the supervised learnings are two types are there. One is the clustering algorithms and another one is the association algorithms. Is clustering algorithms mostly apply to the medical science side, and association algorithms can be applied to the marketing side. Is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is nothing but it is used to achieve the own goals. Best real time example is the self-driving cars, automatic robots. These are the applications of the reinforcement learning. A supervised learning applications is nothing but flood forecasting, weather forecasting, and some of the national stock exchanges applications. These are the supervised learning applications. Unsupervised learning applications is nothing but medical science side and marketing side applications are there. And also reinforcement is the self-driving cars and automotive robotics. Yes, here these are the types of the briefly discussion of the types of human learning and machine learnings are there. Yes, in this